You're meeting your customers where they are, online, across marketplaces, on social media, and at your business's physical locations. Their demand is your command. Behind the scenes, you're juggling the complexity of sales tax regulations. This is especially challenging at point-of-sale systems your business needs to operate at physical locations. This often requires workarounds that are time-consuming and can expose your business to risk. But it doesn't have to be that way. Introducing Avalara Content Generation for POS, a new end-to-end solution dedicated to managing complex tax scenarios for offline calculation at businesses' physical locations. The solution provides deeply researched content relevant to your business, either in Avalara's standard format for offline content or transformed into your POS system's native format. The content is designed to account for sales tax holidays, multiple locations, threshold taxes, and more. Here's how it works. You can access Avalara Content Generation for POS directly in Avalara Avatax. Any configurations you've made on Avalara Avatax remain accessible to you. To get the latest tax content from Avalara to your point-of-sale system, you can create custom configurations in a few simple steps using the Transaction Tax Export (TTE) feature. Choose the business locations, ship to states, and tax groups you need tax content for, right down to zip code and store. This is especially helpful if you have business locations with different operating functions, or if you only ship goods to certain tax jurisdictions. Your content configurations are saved in one place for quick, easy access. Next, you can choose how you want that content delivered. Files can be delivered in Avalara's Transaction Tax Export (TTE) format, or in leading point-of-sale system formats such as Aptos SA and Oracle XStore. You choose how the file is named and encoded, providing full control of how tax content is transformed for your point-of-sale system. Files can also be pushed to your file in Avalara's SFTP server or pulled via an API call. You can also choose who gets notified each time content is delivered. Now you're ready for a job run to pull the latest tax content for your point-of-sale system. Create a new job by defining a name for the job. Then choosing your saved TTE name, delivery configuration, and communication preferences. You can schedule the job or run it on the spot. All jobs and their run details can be viewed in your job history. You can also download the content directly as a zip file without calling on a support team. From there, you can use the content you've generated from Avalara Content Generation for POS to deliver up-to-date tax content for your POS system. By automating tax content delivery for your business whenever and however you need it, you reduce risk with more accurate and timely content. You also drive efficient use of business resources, ultimately improving customer experience at checkout. And during taxation inquiries, enables you to continue delivering on customers' needs wherever and whenever they arise. Get started with Avalara Content Generation for POS today and automate tax content delivery for your physical locations whenever and however you need it. Go to avalara.com today.